Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about find the angle of intersection of the plane. So now I will show you the answer. We know that we have A1 S plus B1 Y plus C1 Z and D1 is equal to number 0, and the second plane that is about A2 S plus B2 Y plus C2 Z plus D2 is equal to number 0, and we have the formula. I will rule about cosine alpha is equals to, on numerator we have A1 A2 multiply together B1 B2 C1 C2, and we need to put inside the absolute value because we don't know this one is positive or negative. On denominator we have the square root, and in this situation that should be about A1 square B1 square C1 square, and the second square root that should be about A2 square B2 square and C2 square. Now we just input the number in here. About the first one, we can see that y and negative 5s we need to swap back together, and then you will go about negative 5s plus y plus 4z and positive number 1 is equal to number 0. This one we can put number 1 in here, and you will go about negative number 1, and that's equal to number 0. So we just input the number in here. So we have negative number 5 multiplied with positive number 5, positive y multiplied with negative number 5, and positive number 4 multiplied with positive number 5. This is about numerator. Now we go to denominator. So we have negative number 5 positive y, so that's is number 1, and 4 square, and the next one we have 5 negative 5 and positive 5. We input the number in here and we got the result. You got about the square root of number 14 over 21. Now we can find the angle in here. So you need to find alpha is equal to cosine of this one. The question, they want to find the result in radians and degrees. So about radians, you will got about 1.3916 5718. About the degrees, you will got about 79.4365721. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.